Hello, this is a Kitty Tree demo as we can see here. Before we run the demo, let's jump into the code and have a quick view. First, we have a Kitty Tree operator over here, which is just wrap up the functions we have in this file. As we can see, we have region search and other functions and properties like add or insert and delete functions implemented over here. And we also have the nodes defined as a Python class over here. Now let's run the code. Before we do the questions, let's have a view how it looks like. If we just insert 10 points, as we can see, we have a tree structure look like this because we call this visualization function. And now let me come out this code and run the code corresponding to the first question. And here we have read this amount of data, and the height is 17. Now let's run the demo correspond to question 2. And as we can see, we have 36 points in this region. And now let's run the demo correspond to question 3. And here we have two heights. One is actual height before balance, and this is a balance height. Now let's do question 4. Now we have so much points, 55 points lie in this region. And here, if I remove more, which correspond to the question 5, and we got this much of search results.